In a dense jungle, there lived a powerful lion. All the animals were afraid of him because he was very proud of his strength. One day, the lion saw a small cat sitting calmly under a tree. The lion laughed and said, "Hey little cat. Do you know that I am the king of the jungle?" The cat replied calmly, "A real king is the one who uses wisdom and kindness, not only strength." The lion became very angry. He roared loudly to scare the cat and was about to attack her, but the cat quickly jumped to the side. The cat was very fast and clever. Sometimes she hid behind a tree, sometimes in the bushes, and she kept tricking the lion again and again. After a while, the lion became tired, but the cat was not afraid at all. Finally, the lion realized his mistake and said, "I am strong, but your wisdom and courage are greater than mine." The cat smiled and said, "True strength lies in wisdom and patience." Glowing star moral: strength alone is not everything. Wisdom, cleverness, and courage are also great powers.